So, OpenAI quietly released a new feature which brings custom GPTs into your normal ChatGPT conversation by mentioning it. Now, not all accounts have it. They are slowly rolling it to all accounts. But once you have it, make sure you try it with your normal conversation because this is bringing a completely different functionality to your normal chat. That means that you can chat and at the same time call on custom GPTs that have very specific functionalities and capabilities to add to the richness of this conversation, which means that the results will be a million times better. And before I show you how it works, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm constantly looking at what's new and I'm bringing you new videos on a regular basis. Also, most of you probably know I run one of the most comprehensive AI memberships for coaches. The link is in the description. If you're a coach or course creator, make sure that you come and join the membership. Okay, now let's start a conversation and then we are going to call a couple of GPTs. All right, so let's say I'm going to say act as an experienced, let's say we want a video outline, act as an experienced video producer and create an outline for a video. And let's say I am a relationship coach and I want to create a video on what not to do on a first date. Just and let's say just give me, we don't want to make it too long, just give me an outline for a talking head video. All right. And this is just a normal conversation. As you can see, I'm talking to ChatGPT. And we are going to get the video title. And we're going to have our introduction. We have a hook here, which is great because I'm going to show you how to bring, like I have a custom GPT that is a hook writer. So if I want to explore more of these hooks, instead of asking the normal chat GPT to come up with hooks, I will be bringing my specifically designed hook writer GPT that has been primed and fine-tuned to only create hooks. Okay, we've got the call to action, so we are ready. So here's how we are bringing custom GPTs. We are going to, let me just, wow, it's creating a lot. Okay, so we're going to press the @ sign, which brings up these windows and it brings a list of my GPTs. Now, if you have a lot, you will have to look for them. So if I start typing hook, only the hook writer comes up and I'm going to select it. And now as you can see in my window, now I will be talking to the hook writer in my next conversation. So I'll say, please come up with 3 hooks based on the video outline above. All right. Now, do you see that I'm no longer chatting to the normal ChatGPT? Now I am chatting to my hook writer. And it is coming up with hooks, which is super, super cool. And I'm going to show you another one. So I can bring another one. All I need to do is click out of this GPT. And let's say I want, what GPTs do I have here? I do have one that creates 3D icon designers. So I can call that one. I'm pretty sure we don't need an icon for a video, but just for the sake of it, I'm just going to type 3D. I'm going to find my video, my custom GPT, and I'm going to say, please create an icon for the video outline above. And as usual, I have a typo, and I'm going to let it run. And as you can see, so the 3D icon designer is actually primed to ask questions. And it says, before I proceed, could you please specify a color palette? If you don't have a preference, I'll use the soft pastel colors that evoke calm, friendly visual experience, aligning with our design principles. So I can say use a red and blue color palette. And I'm still talking to my 3D icon designer. And now it is creating an image. And this is creating an image with DALL-E. But do you see how much richer my conversation is? So depending on the GPTs that you have, and as you can see, it actually read the outline that says what not to do on your first date. And I've got the two people in, say, a restaurant or in the big red no sign, it's very, very cool. I love it. Oh, and the other thing that I'm liking is it actually brought all my links that are into this custom GPT. So definitely go and check to see if you have the mention feature. All you have to do, if you don't, it will usually show you that it is in your account. But if you're not sure or if you've missed it, just type the @ in your conversation, and if you have this feature, it will bring up all the custom GPTs that you already have in your account. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you check the AI School of Business. We've got it right here. The AI School of Business if you're a coach or course creator, because I am going to help you enhance your business with AI and let AI do the heavy lifting so you can make more while working less.